A very good morning to all my dear students. In today's class, in the previous class, we have completed make one sentences and opposites, and in today's class, we will be writing question and answers and doing the reader exercise, which was articles. So be ready with your readers, page number 35. After that, we will be writing question and answers. Yes, children, open your readers, page number 35. And we will write today's date as 15 December 2020. Today we will be learning a new thing, articles, a or an. These are the words which are used before the nouns. Okay. So first we will read the examples. A little boy meets an old woman. Why we are using a here and an over here? We are using a or an. So we will be seeing why we use a or an. Raja and Ajay have an umbrella. Okay, children, here are few examples. A and an are articles. They are used before nouns. As I said you, these are called articles and they are used before the nouns. Okay? Name some nouns, children. As we have learnt earlier, nouns are nothing but names of persons, places, animals and things. Yes, did you all remember? Yes, you have to remember this thing. Then examples we have a rock. Rock starts with the letter R and this is a consonant. So before a consonant we use A. Okay, and an umbrella. Umbrella starts with U and U is a vowel, and before the vowel we use an. Can we write vowels over here? What are the vowels? We have here, okay. We use an only before the words that given with these sounds. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels, children, okay. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So we use A before the words that begin with the consonants. Okay, children, as I told you, rock starts with R and R is a consonant. So we use A, and U is a vowel which comes here. So we use an. Okay. Now shall we have match and write here using a or an? Okay, children. First one is apple. Apple is starting with letter A, which is present in the vowel over here. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So we use an for vowels. Now we have chair. Chair is starting with C, so it's a consonant. We use a chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Next one is kite. Kite is starting with K. K is a consonant, so we use a kite. Okay. Then next we have orange. Orange is starting with O and O is a vowel, so we use an orange. We use an before the vowels. Now we have box. B is a consonant, so we use a box. Egg. Egg is starting with E, so E is a vowel over here. We use an egg. Okay, children, I hope you all understood. Now we have to see the picture and fill in the blanks using a or an. Okay, this is an apple. So apple starts with the letter A. So we will write I have An apple. Okay, children? Isn't it fun and easy? Yes. Sit on, what is it? It's a chair. So chair starts with C. C is a consonant. So we sit on a chair. Okay. Next one, eat, dash and dash. This is an orange and orange starts with O and O is a vowel. So we use an orange. Yes? Now put it in dash and dash. And this is a box and box starts with B. B is a consonant. So we write a box. Now here is a fun game. You have to fill up the blanks which the animals can do. Okay. The animal which can swim. The animal which can swim is fish. The animal which can bark is dog. The animal which can swing, monkeys. Okay. The animal which can hop, rabbit. The animal which can run, horse. The animal which mews, it's a cat. Yes? Now next one we have cross the second letter to get the name of the animal. Here in these letters there is a name of an animal. First we will cross out the second one. Then we will let to know this is first and second. This is another one. This is another one. What are left over? We have to write it. First one is S N A I L. Yo, it's a snail. Okay, it's a snail. The animal's name is snail. Now turn to the next page. We will complete these words by adding O. Let's see what are the words here. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. G-O-A-T, goat. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. B-O-A-T, boat. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Now here you have a homework for today. It's a homework, children. I'll explain you how to do. Firstly, you have to paste a photograph of yourself, okay? Then what is your name? You have to write your name over here in the first blank. Then where do you study? You have to write here Springfield School, Masabtang. What is your mother's name? You have to write your mother's name here. What is your father's name? Write it in the fourth blank. What are the names of your friends? Any two names, you have to write it here in the fifth blank. This is the fun for your homework today. You have to complete this. Now you all have to open your English classworks to write the question and answers. Be ready with the classwork, children. Children, open your English classworks and we will be writing today's date. Okay, today is 15th December 2020. Our heading is lesson number 4, question and answers. First one is, what is Hina dreaming about? Did you remember the lesson? What was Hina dreaming about? Yes, Hina is dreaming about a rainbow, children. So we will write the answer as, we will start with the capital letter. Hina is dreaming about a rainbow. Okay, full stop. Hina is dreaming about a rainbow. Now second question is, why is Hina happy? Why is Hina happy, children? Yes? Shall we write the answer? Hina is happy because She has made a new friend. Okay. Why is Hina happy? Hina is happy because she has made a new friend. Okay. Who was Hina's friend? It was a rainbow. Next one is what does Vibgyor mean? Okay. These are the colors of the rainbow, children. How does we spell this? Vibgyor. Okay. So we will write the meaning of this. So we'll write. You have to use capital letters for all because these are the names of the colors. Okay. Vibgyor mean, first one, VIOLET, violet, comma, use all capital letters, children, indigo, comma, BLUE, blue, comma, GREEN, green, yellow, orange, AND, and RED, red. Okay. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. In this way, you will be writing your question and answers. Your homework for today will be writing the question and answers in the classwork and completing page number 37 as homework. You have to paste your photograph and complete the questions which the reader has asked you. Okay, children, and send your homework on the group. You have to send only the question and answers and page number 37. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.